The Yoast SEO plugin has a content and SEO analysis feature that is baked into the WordPress editor. This provides us with a detailed list of the important content-related and SEO-related factors that impact both the readability of our content and its ranking in search engines. This tool can be accessed from within any page or post. We'll start by going to Post, All Posts from the left side navigation menu and open an existing post. Scroll down to view the Yoast Content Analysis tool. This tool analyzes our content in real time and provides us with a list of recommended best practices to ensure that our content is easy to read. Content readability is an important factor of SEO and greatly improves the user experience. The analysis tool features suggestions that are listed in order of importance, with items needing the most attention listed at the top. They are also color-coded. Items that need immediate attention have a red bullet point next to them. As expected, an orange bullet point indicates other items of significance, whereas the yellow bullet point indicates a minor issue. Those items that meet Yoast's SEO-friendly criteria are rewarded with a green bullet point. The Content and SEO Analysis tool has two tabs, namely the Readability tab and the SEO Analysis tab. Each tab has a color indicator that represents all the factors as a whole. The Readability tab analyzes factors with regard to the readability of our text, including the sentence and paragraph length, presence and distribution of subheadings, use of a passive voice as compared to an active voice, the use of transition words, and our Flesch Reading Ease score, which measures how difficult our text is to read. In this example, the plugin alerts us that we have exceeded the total recommended amount of 300 words following a subheader, suggesting that we insert another subheader. It also states that nearly 1/3 of our sentences exceed the recommended maximum of 20 words, and, according to the Flesch Reading Ease test, we can improve our article by using shorter sentences, making the content easier to read. The second tab is the SEO Analysis tab. If you haven't selected a focus keyword yet, this tab will read, "Enter your focus keyword." This phrase will be replaced by the focus keyword once it is entered into the focus keyword field. Within this tab is the snippet preview, which is a simulation of what our post will look like on a search engine's results page. By clicking the Edit Snippet button, we can create a meta description, which should be a short sentence that describes our content's topic. The meta description is the text that is displayed by Google below our URL on the search results page. As such, it's a very important aspect of SEO. The Analysis tab also includes the field where we enter our focus keyword. After entering our focus keyword, the plugin will analyze our content based on the keyword's presence in the title, heading, URL or permalink, content, the meta description, and the alt tag of our images. The plugin will also check for the presence of images and links in our article, the number of words in our article and the title length, keyword density, and whether or not we have used this keyword before. After making the suggested changes, we are rewarded with the green bullet points, indicating that we have followed the suggested best practices to improve the readability of our content and how well our page or post ranks in search engines.